What's up, guys, and welcome back to SLS Animations. It's your boy Jay Logan here, back with an all-new figure review. As you can see from on the screen, we are going to be reviewing Aang from Avatar: The Last Airbender in this select series from our friends at Diamond Selects Toys. All links are in the bio. This figure is available right now for like $19.99 is the retail price on it. Anyway, let's get into this figure. Here's Aang in all of his entirety. That's how it looks on the left side of the packaging. Also, I wanted to mention all these reviews are definitely up on my YouTube, so definitely collect each figure in this series. If you're an Avatar: The Last Airbender, you know, if you're even watching the video, I'm pretty sure you know what Avatar is. So Katara, Zuko available along with Aang, like we're doing in this review. There's the SKU. Like I said, all links are in the bio. Also, you know, you'll be able to find this figure at comic book shops and things like that. I believe there's actually, I know for a fact there's a like smaller version with, you know, less accessories available at Walgreens. So big shout out to Diamond Select Toys doing their thing in that way. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we got here. You guys know I like to tear it from the bottom, pull up a little bit, lay my hand in it, and get the pieces out. Also, I can pop off this plastic piece and keep these for later, but that's a whole totally different video. Let's go ahead and get a pause on here so I can get all these pieces off. As you guys see, they're tied in. Let's go. Alright, so I've decided I'm going to do something special with this Avatar series that I just received. I'm definitely going to build a special background just for this Avatar series. I'm going to go back and watch the series and do something special. So definitely keep your eyes tuned to SLS Animations on IG, Instagram, that is. Get a big close-up on this air swoosh. That's what I'll call it, because it's supposed to be air.
Jay Logan.
Looks pretty good, pretty cool. Let me see if I can get everything in focus and get your eyes a close, zoomed up look at it there. There's the pin for the flight stand and one end to the other. All right, let's go ahead and zoom out, see what else we got in the pack. We also have Momo. Flip them around there, see if his tail or anything moves, and it does. How cool is that? His tail actually moves in the back. It's not just one solid piece. It's cool to have those two pieces there. I'm glad it actually comes out and it doesn't snap or break anything like that. That's pretty cool. Somebody was thinking ahead there. Momo, you know, next one, you know, hopefully we can get Momo in his own series, you know, moving his ears and whatnot. Does his arms move? Let's see here. No, those are solid pieces, but definitely can get some tail articulation. Let's see if I can get these zoom quite right on that Momo figure. Yeah, it looks real good. I might just give Momo his very own photo shoot. You know, if you're a fan of the show, you know how big of a character he is. He had his own episodes and whatnot, so go ahead and put that to the side. You guys see the flight stand, the extra hands that I'm pretty sure go into the swoosh. I won't take those out at this moment, but I will show you what they look like. And alright, so here's Aang from the back. There's the attachment for the flight stand. Let's see if I can turn this around, get a little bit more light. There we go. Let's see what we got here. We got some ab articulation, which is really cool. Double jointed knees, I believe. There we go. That T-joint. Definitely can do some yoga with Aang here. Let's see how much head articulation we got. 360 going. How far can he look down? How far can he look up? So yeah, out of the three, Aang definitely has the most head articulation in this series, for obvious reasons. I mean, he's bald-headed, for crying out loud. The paint job for you guys. I know you want to see that. Over 20 points of articulation on this figure. I'm not going to demonstrate them all in this video, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know how many pieces there are. There we go. So the sculpting on this figure is, amazing. Absolutely. Some of those double jointed knees. To get there, the running pose is definitely going to be something easy to pull off with Aang. With that swoosh of air and whatnot. I've already looked on diamondselect.com, and there's more Aangs coming out, with all kinds of accessories. But this figure definitely available at your comic book shops, at Walgreens, and the link is in the bio, so shouldn't have any trouble getting to this figure from this video. Once again, big shout out to Diamond Select Toys. This figure's absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get in the video, get into a photo shoot, do my thing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Your boy Jay Logan out.